Are you non-stop thinking? Can't stop even if you want to? Feeling low in energy, feeling down, or extreme stress? This is a normal pattern of our mind to keep thinking without even any reason. So today's tapping will help you cut down some thinking or even stop. Thinking can happen due to various factors like things going on in your life, at work, in a relationship, family member, or anything else. So following today's video, let's cut down some of the overthinking. So let's sit down and start to scale in the scale of 0 to 10. How much thinking is that? How much are you thinking? 0 being no thinking, 10 is the highest you could think. Scale, and let's start. On the karate chop area, tap and say, even though I'm non-stop thinking, even though I don't want to think, I deeply and completely accept myself. I love myself and I forgive myself. Even though I'm thinking constantly, which is giving me headache, tension, heaviness in my head, I deeply and completely accept myself. I love myself and I forgive myself. And I allow myself to let go of this thinking, because if I continue to think like this, it's not going to change anything. Only I feel what I'm feeling, and I don't deserve to feel this way. Under the eye, I'm overthinking. Temple, this overthinking. Chin, this overthinking. Forehead, this overthinking. Top of the head, I'm thinking too much. Collarbone, I'm thinking too much. Chest, I allow myself to think less. Wrist together, I cut down overthinking now. Under the eye, I'm thinking too much. Temple, I think too much. Under the nose, I'm thinking too much. Chin, I'm thinking too much. Temple, I'm thinking too much. Eyebrow, I'm thinking too much. Center of the forehead, I'm thinking too much. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Now become aware of this thinking. Is it going down? Are you able to slightly less think? If the thinking you feel that is going down slowly, once it's come down to 2, 1 or 0, this is what we want. Now let's tap one more time. Bring your hand like this and tap on the thumb. Think of this thinking, overthinking, too much thinking, and cut down this thinking. Index finger. Middle finger. Keep thinking of that you are thinking too much, overthinking. Small finger. You don't need to think anymore. Karate chop. Overthinking. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Now, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look to the right, to the left. Keep thinking on this overthinking. Turn your eyes around. Other way around. Now sing any song. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Any song, happy birthday, or anything that you like. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Scale in the scale of 0 to 10. Where are you now? It should be going down. And keep tapping a few more times, perhaps replay the video up to 2 to 3 times, and your mind should relax a bit. Heaviness in your head should come down. You should be feeling more energy, relaxed in the mind, and peace within.